Okay, the trapezoids are similar. The idea here is that if you know the ratio of the length, then you square that ratio to find the ratio of the areas. So let's take these two side lengths that they gave us, 27 over 39, and let's simplify them. We can divide them both by 3, and we get 9 over 13. That is what the side length ratios are. So if we square those, then we would say 9 squared over 13 squared equals 81 over 169, and then we will use that ratio and set the actual area that they give us as they say the smaller is 709. So we're going to set this across from that smaller area ratio to 709. We'll call this x. Now we just cross multiply and get 81x equals 709 times 169 equals 119,821. So then dividing both sides by 81, we get x is equal to 1,479.2, which rounds off to 1,479 meters squared.